How to see someone's repost on TikTok. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how to see someone's repost on TikTok. So the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step, and let's dive into the video without wasting any time. So first you have to open your TikTok app, and then here you have to search for the person by clicking the search bar for any profile that you want to search. Now you have to choose any profile that you want to see the repost of and click this repost icon over here. And here you can see all the reposts from that specific profile on your TikTok. And I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.